So Aconcagua, depending where you are, the altitude and where you're looking, it can look, and I think feel, like a different planet. Hello, my name's Dr. Tom Matthews and I'm a Senior Lecturer in Environmental Geography. I'm also a National Geographic explorer. So I was recently part of the Wayra expedition to Aconcagua. Aconcagua sits in the Central Andes in South America, and it's the highest mountain outside of Asia. It's a very, very interesting place. It's exceptionally dry and it's very, very hot at sea level, but very, very cold at the top. And I was there with researchers from the University of Nevada in the USA and INEGLIA, an Argentinian research institute. And we were putting in 5 new weather stations on the mountain, ranging from base camp, about 4,200 meters above sea level, all the way up to the summit, very close to 7,000 meters above sea level. And it's a real effort putting those weather stations in. We're climbing, following the most popular route up the mountain, but unlike others, we're carrying these weather stations with us. And it's a difficult undertaking. The altitude is very serious and it's difficult to work at such altitudes. So why did we do it? Well, we did it because, just like elsewhere in mountain regions around the world, communities downstream depend on the water that's running off from the glaciers that drain from Aconcagua. And as the climate warms, those glaciers are retreating. You can see the retreat from Aconcagua walking into the mountain and the surrounding area. And as those glaciers retreat, that reliable source of fresh water is in jeopardy. But we lack basic measurements from those high mountain regions, and without those basic measurements, we're in a poor position to understand quite how dramatic those changes will be over forthcoming years. So we need weather stations in those difficult to reach places in order to better understand what might be ahead.